On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a welder. This is a 7018 rod. It's basically a multi-purpose rod. The 6011 I used earlier, I mainly use it for tacking and for doing root passes, because usually on a root pass, if you're doing pipe welding, you grind it out. If I'm welding around the shop, building a boat trailer or some type of trailer, I still grind it down and then do cover tacks with 7018. Sometimes you have to tap or scratch to get enough flux off so that your electrode makes contact with your work.
This run you don't work back and forth that much when you're running flat. Just kind of goes in there. It makes a lot better looking weld than a 6010.
Now, if you run your temperature and your speed just right, that flux will actually peel off for you. It almost does the work for you. On the 6010, it doesn't work so well. You need a wire brush or a chipping hammer or a scaling hammer, which is pneumatic.